Everyone wants to build the best landing page that converts, but most people don't know the right tools to use. This is one of the reasons why you'll find this Landingi review useful for your business in 2026 and beyond. In this video, we will be exploring the AI Landing Page Operation System, or LPOS, designed for marketers who need power, speed, and conversion control. Generally, I just want you to understand what this platform can do, and to understand if this is something you'll want to try out. So what exactly is Landingi? I know, just the name alone can make you guess correctly what it's all about. Landingi is a no-code powerhouse that bridges the gap between simple builders and complex web design, offering advanced functionality without needing to write code. Landingi's success is built upon three pillars: creation, management, and optimization. Creation offers drag-and-drop freedom, with over 400 conversion-tested templates. The platform provides pixel-perfect design freedom, giving you Photoshop-like flexibility. Unlike grid-locked builders, you can place any element precisely where you want it, making it ideal for designers. Now let's take a look at the Smart Sections. You'll find this on your dashboard. The Smart Sections enable you to build content blocks once, like headers or footers, and update them everywhere instantly. This is a massive time saver when scaling your campaigns. So take note. The AI ecosystem features Lunar AI for instant landing page generation from a brief, Solus Insights for user behavior analysis and optimization, and Orbit Workflow for seamless integration with marketing automation tools. Landingi offers competitive annual pricing plans: Build, Optimize, Scale, and Enterprise. The plans range from approximately $24 to over $1,199, scaling up features like A/B testing, sub-accounts, and visitor capacity. The Landingi software is designed for modern marketers, supporting lead generation with smart forms and heat maps, PPC and campaigns through dynamic text replacement, and agencies with white labeling and management permissions. I strongly believe you will enjoy using it, because I use it too, and it's awesome. The pros of benefits of using Landingi include full creative freedom, smart sections for universal updates, and deep analytics with built-in heat maps. It also boasts multi-language support, a rich inventory of templates, and enterprise-grade uptime and compliance. The areas I think requires improvement include visitor caps on lower tiers, which can cause friction with scaling paid advertising. The pixel-perfect freedom results in a steeper learning curve, and the editor can occasionally feel sluggish with very complex pages. So if the Landingi team is watching this video right now, you should work on improving this. It will go a long way for us creators and marketers. So in conclusion, I'll say that Landingi is an excellent choice for marketers seeking uncompromising design control and AI-driven efficiency, all without the high enterprise price tag of competitors. I recommend it, and you can use the link in the description of this video to try it out right now. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below and I'll answer you. Also, check out the full detailed article review on my blog. The link is also in the description of this video. Go ahead and like this video, share it with someone on social media to help us reach more people. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. Now go check out the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.